The top AI companies are fighting for the top spot, but Gemini 3 might take it.
Google has been secretly testing Gemini 3, and it promises to be faster, smarter, and more creative than ever. From generating images and videos to crafting audio, Gemini 3 is expected to redefine multimodal creativity. At Promptus, we're ready to integrate Gemini 3 into our creative ecosystem, allowing users to unlock seamless generation across image, video, and audio. You can iterate on those generations using MoMM to refine every idea however you like. Perfect for creators and business owners looking to customize each step of their marketing asset process. Prefer something more private? Take your generating offline with Promptus CosyFlows inside ComfyUI. CosyFlows are ready-made workflows you can just plug in and start creating. Built to remove the hassle of setup ComfyUI is known for, so you can spend less time configuring and more time creating. We're beyond excited for Gemini 3 and even more excited to see how it transforms what you create with Promptus AI.